Fired right up. Pat, you'll be surprised at the movies from this thing.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
You got the ramp. Bruce! You just move and we gotta load it back up.
Yeah, less of a target.
Also in the shade. I'm amazed at these cameras, how good movies and pictures they take.
The camera batteries were dead.
Fired right up without too much problem.
Yeah.
Throw it off. That thing is so cool.
So that's your
Cell phone.
cell phone?
Yeah.
That's one of the expensive ones though, isn't it?
$100. Contract. That's where they get you.
Next. That's the first lap or two?
First lap.
You're not going to ride with him. Let me take a pee. I'll be right back.
You want me to document it?
The camera battery was dead.
So, Mr. McDowell.
Hi there.
What are you thinking right now?
It's the Maiden Voyage, and I want to try to keep my life going.
Maiden Voyage 2, though, right?
Yeah, this is Maiden Voyage 2, the driving lesson. This will be my first time behind the wheel. Hopefully I'm behind the wheel when we come back around.
I hope so.
And not under the wheel.
September 14, 2013.
Everywhere. I'm getting ready for my trainer.
That's weird. Oh, got the hat. Get serious now.
Okay, now, full throttle. Okay, go down. For distance. High gear.
Edison. What do you do? Kill it?
No, still running. Probably learn how to take off. That's what I'd do.
Yeah.
That's the hard part.
High gear.
How many gears did it have? 3 speed?
I thought it was 2-speed, wasn't it?
2 speed?
You're
Think
asking
so.
the wrong gear. It's got high
That's
and
got
low,
an
isn't
extra
it?
transit.
What has it
because
got, low
of
and
being a
go?
Truck.
Slow and go.
Yeah.
Slow and go.
Look out, he's sideways.
Drifting it.
They got home and both batteries were dead in the camera. They haven't used it for a while.
You put them in a charger?
Yeah, I got it on the charger now, but it takes a while. It takes an hour or so to charge it.
Use the water out.
That was a perfect pan shot. Easy to do at 10 miles an hour.
Does it have a zoom on it?
I'm trying to figure that out. I don't think it's got a zoom. I'm still learning this thing.
My camera's 13 years old and I still got the original battery in it.
Really? That's not even, that's probably my old NiCads, for it being that old. I like the new batteries. No memory, they charge up fast. This phone will charge up in a half hour.
There comes the cops now.
No, is that Jim? That might be Jim. It looks like his
Oh, he
Toyota.
didn't. Yeah, he didn't drive his Model A. It wouldn't
Yeah, that
start, I
might be
guess,
Jim.
huh? He's probably like you and I are. We're down there tooling way over there.
It looks like it's Toyota.
Yeah, that's him. bring a Model A, I thought.
Be brave parking there. Yeah, that's kind of.
You're liable to get run into. They're probably out of gas.
No, Pat filled it up pretty
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
No, it's still running. Pat's
two
taking off.
rounds here.
Pat's learning how to start and stop it, which
Yeah,
Anybody can drive
driving
it
is
when it's
driving.
going.
You're right. It's the starting and stopping. He's got
Stopping.
to learn.
oh, we got a good fire going over there.
Oh yeah.
It's a dangerous place to park because he makes that turn there.
Better than El Mirage.
Anything's better than El Mirage.
Yeah.
Hey, I like that back tire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's part of the
That's
deal.
all you get.
What they're building here, they're doing construction here, and they
Yeah,
can't
I
even
don't
rent
know.
these places.
I don't know.
Yeah, but isn't that the storm drain fiasco
Yeah.
there?
Yeah, I
Flood
think
control
that-
channel?
That may be city property or county property.
Probably just cleaning it up. They were hauling dirt out of here about 6 months ago. I know.
Yeah, there was a nursery over there.
Boy, he's getting brave, isn't he? Apparently
He's
the
up to
high-speed
2025 now.
run-
Unless you
high-speed
pitch
run
it
now.
sideways here, man.
I think I'd be more worried about popping one of those tires.
Yeah.
That back one's got a good wobble to it, that's for sure.
That's typical of
They have tubes in them.
one of these things.
Oh,
Yeah.
They got. He's got new tubes, right?
Oh, he's going to do a burnout now.
Yeah.
Light them up!
Thought you were bringing them out away.
Yeah, I was going to, but we just got back from having crossed over the road.
All right. How'd it feel?
I felt good.
You got the start down okay?
Yeah, but I keep resting my foot on the brake, knowing it's not the gas, but it's a comfort feeling. You know what I mean?
Think it's the throttle.
You know?
Away from you.
Yeah.
But it's still, it's different. It steers like a go-kart. It really does.
Yeah, it's real
I mean, I can turn a circle in about 2 feet, I think. But
Really? I thought it was just the opposite.
no, it turns. When you're moving, it'll turn.
Stops and it doesn't go.
No,
That's why.
no, it's Did you notice we bounced a little bit? Did you get some of
Yeah.
that?
You seen it was
Yeah, we had a little
water out of it.
We were having a little volcano action going there.
Getting a little warm.
Oh, that stuff's typical.
Yeah,
Hey, look, it's leaking.
That's typical, too.
Well, it's like an English motorcycle.
Is that, it's like a Harley, huh? They all leak. Marking their territory, huh?
Changes oil. Just keeps topping it off.
we forgot the water, didn't we?
We did.
Like the old Brit bikes.
There's no water in it?
Oh, yeah, it's full of water, but
Oh.
we lost some.
Oh, I always lose water. I got.
So you pissed too soon.
Well, we got no
Turn
cap
it
on
off.
either.
Yeah.
It's coming out of the middle, Larry.
Yeah, I think it's
That'll
out
help.
there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I gotta get a new one.
That's
still
not
got
tight.
Some left in this one.
No, there's nothing there. I looked
Yeah.
at
I
it.
could drink this.
Okay. It's no problem. That isn't leaking enough for any trouble.
I gotta have a cigarette. Don't crack the block now.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. I can have Cindy.
Yeah, got a new fan and all that shit on there. Look
No,
at that.
that's my fan. I
New
repaired it.
belt. Oh, you did?
Yeah, the new pulley. It's a new pulley. I rebuilt the whole
Oh,
pulley.
okay. Wow.
It runs good. Those gears and everything.
That high gear we're in now, I'll tell you what, man. You
Yeah, it
step
gets
down on
lit,
that
huh?
baby, it'll
Yeah,
move.
It
Yeah.
goes out. It's got a good clutch in it.
Yeah.
It's high geared 5 to 1.
It's just backwards to what you're used to.
Yeah, that's the whole deal.
You
What
gotta
do you mean
remember
backwards?
that You push in on the clutch to go.
You push the clutch to go instead of let it out.
That's a good safety thing, actually. They ought to bring that back.
Well, it is a...
You get a picture of the rear of it?
Yeah, with the license plate.
Yeah.
Yep.